If you are planning a bonfire night celebrating at home this year, here is some friendly advice to keep you and your family safe. If possible, enjoy your firework display virtually with an online display. Tip 1. Plan your firework display to make sure it's safe and enjoyable, and ensure it finishes before 11 p.m. Tip 2. Only buy fireworks which carry the CE mark. Keep them in a closed box and use them one at a time. Tip 3. Read and follow the instructions on each firework, using a torch if necessary. Tip 4. Light the firework at arm's length with a taper and stand well back. Tip 5. Keep naked flames, including cigarettes, away from fireworks. Tip 6. Never return to a firework once it's been lit. Tip 7. Don't put fireworks in pockets and never throw them. Tip 8. Direct any rocket fireworks well away from spectators. Tip 9. Never use paraffin or petrol on a bonfire. Tip 10. Make sure that the fire is out and surroundings are made safe before leaving. Tip 11. Alcohol and fireworks do not mix. Think, don't drink. Remember to teach your children about the firework code and stay safe this bonfire night. From all at Avon Fire and Rescue Service.